Hi guys, welcome to Only Match Tutorial Point. Today in this video, I am going to cover revision test 2 of topics chapter 2, 4, 10 and 11. Sets, fourth pair of linear equation, two variables, mensuration and trigonometry guys. So in the previous video, we covered till 4 sums, right? We covered till 4 sums. Now we are going to discuss in this video 5th sum and 6th sum guys. Okay, let's start. Okay, what is given guys? Set A, that is given in set builder form. Set A, x colon x is a factor of 24. Set B, x colon x is a multiple of 4 which is less than 30. Represent A and B. Set A, set B in a Venn diagram. Okay, now they give in set builder form, convert into roster form, find take down the elements from the set and find A intersection B guys. Okay, now set A, what are the factors of 24? They give in set builder form, convert into roster form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Okay, now coming to set B, what is set B given? X colon x is a multiple of 4 which is less than 30. So what are the multiples of 4 which are less than 30? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. Okay, now what we need to find here? We need to find A and B, that is A intersection B. So first of all, identify what are the repeated terms from the both the sets. 4 is repeated from both, 8 is repeated, 12 is repeated, 24 is repeated. Therefore 4, 8, 12, 24 are the common elements from both the sets. Okay, now according to the Venn diagram, students, take down two circles, that is two sets. We are talking about two sets, right? Now what are the elements repeated in both the sets? That one you mention in the middle portion. 4, 8, 12, 24. And the remaining elements, see these common elements present in both the sets, right? In set A and set B. So after striking common elements in set A, what are the elements left out other than common, right, in this area? Okay, now what are the elements left out other than common elements, right, in this area in set B? Okay, now 4, 8, 12, 24 are the common elements from the given two sets. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.